Welcome to Visualization and Graphics Lab. Computer graphics is a branch of computer science which deals with representation and manipulation of visual content. Computer graphics is an interdisciplinary field. It uses concepts from physics to study the interaction of light with various materials. It borrows projections and transformations from mathematics. It uses engineering concepts for user interface design and GPU architecture. It also uses some concepts from art and aesthetics, such as perception, to improve visual presentation.
Data visualization is the process of exploring, transforming, and viewing data to gain understanding and insight. This picture shows voids and pockets in protein molecules.
Scientific visualization is primarily concerned with visualization of data from a scientific domain having a spatial context.
Given a scalar field, isocontours and isosurfaces are curves or surfaces representing a collection of points that are mapped to a given scalar value. The 3D scalar fields can be visualized by mapping scalar values to color and opacity. This mapping is called as transfer function.
The Visualization and Graphics Lab serves as a facility for conducting research in the areas of scientific visualization, geometry processing, and computer graphics. Current topics of research include topological methods for visualization, multi-scale representation of scientific data, geometric and topological simplification, GPU acceleration for visualization, and applications of visualization in life sciences and engineering. Some of the recent projects done in VGL are identifying symmetric patterns in scalar fields, 3D reconstruction of neuronal structures, output-sensitive construction of Reeb graphs, parallel computation of 2D Morse-Smale complexes, and efficient online visualization and simulation for large-scale applications.
We now describe some of the projects done in the lab. The Reeb graph of a scalar function represents the evolution of the topology of its level sets. In this project, we work on designing algorithms for computing and visualizing the Reeb graph of scalar functions. We also work on applying Reeb graphs for various applications like user interface to interact with volumes, designing transfer functions, and segmentation of surfaces.
Study of symmetric or repeating patterns in scalar fields is important in scientific data analysis because it gives deep insights into the properties of the underlying scientific phenomenon. We propose a computationally efficient algorithm for detecting symmetric patterns in a scalar field distribution by analyzing the topology of level sets of the scalar field. We show applications of our technique in isosurface extraction and transfer function design.
We have developed an adaptive integrated steering framework that performs simultaneous simulation and online visualization for critical weather applications. The Morse-Smale complex is a topological data structure that partitions the domain of a real-valued function based on its gradient. We propose a parallel algorithm to compute the Morse-Smale complex of a real-valued function defined on a 2D grid. The algorithm is designed to be implementable in GPU and multi-core environments to achieve efficiency and scalability.
In neuroscience, 3D reconstruction of neuronal structures facilitates visualization of the anatomical relationships of neurons and their patterns of dendritic and axonal contact within nerve tissues. Exact geometric reconstruction of neuronal architecture is indispensable for the investigation of neuronal function. We design a framework that is substantiated through user validation of output from each process of the framework with the goal of enabling automated and high-quality reconstruction of neuronal morphologies. The faculties in charge of the lab are Vijay Natarajan and PC Matthias. Lab comprises of 6 PhD students, 3 master's students, and 2 project assistants.
Research done in VGL have been published in main conferences and high-impact journals in the area like IEEE Transactions and Visualization in Computer Graphics, IEEE Conference on Visualization, Topological Methods for Visualization, and International Symposium on Algorithm and Computation.